How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. So we'll be taking a look at the Whitestone dome glass screen protector for the iPhone X today. I've also got one here for the Note 8, but I decided I'm going to do the first installation on my iPhone X first, and then I'll have a go at doing the Note 8 at a later date. But for now, it's just so that I can show you guys how easy it is to install and how great this is actually is. I've read a lot about it online and I've looked on YouTube and stuff like that just to find out more about what it is, and I even asked on Twitter and I've got the go ahead and a thumbs up from fellow YouTubers. So I'm looking forward to putting this on my phone. I've already got a screen protector on my phone right now on my iPhone 10, but unfortunately it cracked already. The screen protector from Apple Store Direct, and it doesn't really cover the edges as well. So what's really good about this is it's a full cover, so it goes edge to edge, and it's just got a UV lighting in there as well to help you install it. It's got like this installation kit in there. It's just kind of different, and it's supposed to be really better and be the best on the market right now for your phone. But without further ado, without further chat, let's install this, unbox it, see what's inside, install it, and yeah, see how that goes. So here it is. This is the packaging that it comes in. So this is easy to install, as mentioned there. You got full touch, full cover, and it's fully clear, so it's transparent. So this is not going to affect your touch responsiveness when you're using the actual phone itself, and it should still feel like you've got an iPhone 10 without any issue, because that's really smooth and nice on the finger when you're using the phone itself. So on the back here, just tells you what you get. So you get your UV light lamp as well, LED lamp. So it's powered by USB, so you can just plug that into anything. And I think for us here, we're going to plug it into a my power pack, so it's easier for this video. But yeah, let's just get inside here and see what's all about. Here's the UV lamp, LED lamp. It looks like an Apple mouse, which is quite funny actually. Put that to the side. That's the USB cable to power it on. So we're going to plug that into a power pack, and your installations there. But on the back, there's a QR code on the back of the packaging. So do give that a read. I think you should definitely watch the installation video before beginning to do this at all. Otherwise, you don't want to get it wrong. So in there, you get all the packaging, everything that you need. This is the little liquid bit. So this liquid would allow the screen protector to actually fully stay on the phone and go edge to edge as well. You see that in action just in a second. And this is basically the installation kit here. So you have to place your phone here, place it on top, move the thing up and down until it's dry, and you are good to go. So here are the other bits. Don't lose any of these, because this is all this here quite important to get your installation done properly. But anyway, let's install this and fast forward it as well. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments below, but I'll see you at the end of this installation process. Boom, so installation is done. That took a few minutes to do, and a lot of patience as well. So if you're gonna do this, make sure you're ready, you're all set to do it. Have a nice balanced surface to do it as well, and you're good to go. As long as you follow the instructions, watch video online, read instruction in the booklet, as long as you do all that, you are ready to go, you'll be all right. So if you look around here, you can see that it's nicely placed on top of there, and it's just nice and seamless on the edge. So if you look here, on the edges here, it's nice edge to edge display. It just feels nice as well. It feels natural, just like I have no case, I have no screen protector on it at all. So I'm just going to power this back on, just so that you guys can see that everything still works just as it should. It just looks really nice. I don't even know how to describe it. It just looks really nice, fits seamlessly around the edges, all the cutouts in place. There's no problem at all. I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys that it was straightforward and easy to install. You do have to be patient, and also watch the video on their YouTube page, like online. Just watch the instructions, read the instruction manual properly before you start installing it. Because A, you don't want to damage your phone, and B, it's quite expensive to buy, and you don't want to end up having to destroy your screen protector and then having to buy another one as well. Let me just quickly enter my pin here. Boom. So everything just works just as it should. As you can see there, go on Twitter. It feels nice as well. It just feels really nice and smooth, just like the standard iPhone screen protector. You know, things just scroll up and down as normal. No problem at all. I really like it. What's also great is that this works with your iPhone case as well. I mean, I'm using the official iPhone Apple case here. So if I just place it in the case, it just fits in nicely as well. So you can see that there's no bump, there's no extra bit sticking out on the edges. It just sits in the case naturally and seamlessly. But anyway, guys, that's the Whitestone screen protector, glass dome screen protector. Guys, so let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll leave all links, relevant links as well in the description area, so do check it out. But in the meantime, you're watching Gadgets Boy. I'm Tommy, and just another thing to recommend to you guys. Catch you guys in the next one.